Hi everyone, this is the second video for installing the light for the side mirror switches. So if you haven't seen the first video, I'll add a link in the description below. So anyway, after I did the installation, I didn't really like the LED that I was using. It wasn't bright enough. I went to Amazon and started looking for different LEDs, and I found a few. So I'm gonna show you here. I got this wired up to my power um, my power source here, 12-volt power source. So I got four different types. So here's the one that I'm using right now. Okay, and I got this one here that you need the socket to plug it into, so it wouldn't be a good application for what I'm doing, because it's gonna stick out very far and there's no way to mount it properly. So it's down to these three types of LEDs. Okay, this one is a little bit too big to fit there, so I'm not going to use that. So right here, this one, I think this one's the perfect choice, but we'll see after I do the installation. We'll see. So I'm going to power this on, and you can see, so this one is pretty bright. Might be too bright for what we need. This one, I think it's about right. So if you compare side by side right here, see how dim this one is. So this is the one that I'm using currently. So, and this one's about the same brightness, but size wise is too big. So I forgot to push recording. So I drew a 7/16" hole right here. Fed the light through it, and put in the nuts to lock it in place. And then I trimmed the cable. The red cable here, positive, is going to go into that power source using the same tab, and then the negative one will go down below. So that's what I did, but forgot to push record, so sorry about that. Okay, so crimping on the connectors. Let's try it. There we go. Nice. Okay, so let's put everything back together. separate this part up pretty good. So when you're doing this, probably a good idea to put a little piece of tape over it to see if that helps. So it's nighttime, it's dark, so let's see what we got here. Okay, I would say that's a little bit too bright. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's a little too bright. I think I'm gonna find a piece of tape to put over it. Okay, so I fixed it for now. What I had to do was I used white electrical tape, 4 layers of electrical tape, put over it, and I think that is about the level I like. So the permanent solution would be to find another LED that's lower in brightness. So that is way too bright. So I think I'll leave it like that for now, and then let's see what I can come up with. The search continues for LED that will work for this application. Alright, thanks for watching. See you on the next video.